Hi, my name is Adil Mir. I am from Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir. I am a low vision person. The problem when I am trying to read any document, which is background is white and written in black font, so at that moment I am unable to read it because I have to put strain on my eyes and then I am able to read. So for that purpose, there is a solution which is known as video magnifier. So I'll be using it to read the documents. I will show you the demo how I will use it, which will help a person with any kind of low vision to read a small letters, small font in different background colors, which automatically changes by the video magnifier. This is how it looks on the paper normal screen also. Same, I am unable to read background white and black written. So I will change it into different colors with the support of some keys here on this display. So I am just changing. So it makes the background black and now it is in the yellow color, on the text is in the yellow color. So I don't want, for example, this also. So I will press again this button and the background changes into blue and the color font changes into white. Then now the background is black and the font is white, so I am able to identify now. So what I will do, I will just increase the font size as I am required. So I will use, it is written action from and next. So it is able to read because it is a little bit diverted. So I can read it like this properly. Okay. Next steps. So I will just move it again and then I will read it. Platform, companies, meetings will Prashant. So it is like making my reading easy and it is up to me how much zoom I need, how much font size I require. So I am just increasing as much as required. And even I can take the photograph also of this. I will just minimize the font. So if I have to take, for example, this much, so I will keep it like this and I will take the snap of this. So it is there on my screen. If I change also the paper also, if paper is not there, but still I can read it easily.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.